What's good, YouTube? So today I'm going to be doing these cornrow, I don't know what to call it, but I'm just doing these cornrow braids on my hair. And the middle one is already done because it is so hard to do the middle one for some reason. I don't know. So I did that already off camera. And I'm just about to show y'all how to braid. I'm not that good at braiding, but I'm still trying to teach y'all to the best of my ability. And yeah, so if y'all want to see what I'm doing, just watch.
Attention on the rise. I didn't respond and now they see me on the rise. I got some shit up in my head now. I'm on my shit and I'm not scared now. Slander my name, I ain't do shit to nobody.
And that stuff you see in my hair is gel. That white stuff is gel, but you're gonna notice that I'm just gonna comb it out and stuff like that. That's that eco style of stuff, you know.
Cause I came from the bottom, can't make you forever be with somebody. To the day I'm not hurt, I'ma stack every dollar. I'ma blow out the brain when I feel that I got my ties with my people, now my grandfather deposit. Ran it up all by myself though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flop though. In my head I know what I know. Oh, and I say I count 50s all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop me, no comparisons on that timeline, baby. And oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Attention on the rise. I didn't respond and now they see me on the rise. I got some shit up in my head now. I'm on my shit and I'm not scared now. Tryna do better, they know that I'm with it. I kill every nigga. I listen to critics. I see what they saying and I know I'm not tripping. How the fuck can you just put me in that position? They posting that shit tryna send me to prison. How the fuck do I post to take care of my children? I be flipping that money and stack to the ceiling. Why the fuck should I care and I know that I'm winning? Let a nigga come try me, it's gonna be a murder. How the fuck I'ma die with no snake in my circle? How the fuck he gon' do when this nigga a servant? He claim me a boss, but this nigga a worker. If I nut in that bitch, it's gon' come cause I'm further. That's as far as they go, it won't go any further. Riding the car on the back of the curb. If I beat it a fuck, man, I might as well. Cause I'm riding a new Maybach, yeah. Walk with a whole lot of racks, yeah. Told on a whole lot of straps, yeah. Push a nigga shit way back, yeah. White cold as a bitch, no cap, yeah. Fuck nigga play, get splat, yeah. Fuck they say, stay facts, yeah.
Okay, so I'm just taking some grease, any type of grease. This is something my dad had. Cause I don't have any grease, I just got oils. So I'm just gonna put that on my hair. Alright. So then I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and just start brushing and detangling my hair. And then once it's detangled, I'm gonna take a piece in the front, and then I'm gonna try to sew this part down for you. So I'm taking 3 strands, and you just cross them like you finna do a regular braid. So you just go under. You just take the 3 strands and just keep going under each strand, and then you see me taking my finger and I'm adding a piece of hair to the braid, and then I'm gonna just continue braiding. And you just keep grabbing hair. Just keep adding hair to the braid. That's all you're doing. You braid it regularly, but you're adding hair to the braid. So you're going to see that I braid and just take like my index finger and then just add it to the braid. And then I'll do that all the way down.
I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond and now they see me on the rise. I got some shit up in my head now. I'm on my shit and I'm not scared now. Slander my name, I ain't do shit to nobody. Relationship go to the one with the problem. She wanted space and she got it. Talking about babies, only got 3 children. I don't want no part and I swear I ain't kidding. Gave her my love, now she say she don't feel me. And I've been betrayed, it ain't no forgiving. Cause I'm riding a new Maybach, yeah. Walk with a whole
since it's not, I keep my soul tight. Cause I came from the bottom, can't make you forever be with somebody. To the day I'm not hurt, I'ma stack every dollar. I'ma blow out the brain when I feel that I got my ties with my people, now my grandfather deposit. Ran it up all by myself though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flop though. In my head I know what I know. And I say, I count 50s all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop me, no comparisons on that timeline, baby. And oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now oh yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now. I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond.
So now I'm gonna take a small rubber band, just put that on the end of the braid, and that's the whole side done right there. And then I'm gonna move on to this side. And I don't care about nobody just, oh girl, you messed up on the part. I don't care. At least I tried. And basically all I'm doing on this side is the same thing I did on the other side. So just brush, you know, the tangle, whatever you want to call it. And then you just start braiding.
Keep my soul tight. Cause I came from the bottom, can't make you forever be with somebody. To the day I'm not hurt, I'ma stack every dollar. I'ma blow out the brain when I feel that I got them. I count 50s all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop me, no comparisons on that timeline, baby. And oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now oh yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now. I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond and now they see me on the rise. I got some shit up in my head now. I'm on my shit and I'm not
Playboy on this bitch, but he ain't playing no.
Kept my ties with my people, now my grandfather deposit. Ran it up all by myself though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flop though. In my head I know what I know. And I say, I count 50s all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop me, no comparisons on that timeline, baby. And oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now oh yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now. I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond and now they see me on the rise. I got some shit up in my head now. I'm on my shit and I'm not scared now. Slander my name, I ain't do shit to nobody.
Okay, so now this side is completely done. All you see is me just going over my edges, doing my edges. This probably something I ain't gonna be doing every day, but you know, this is just to throw the look together. And I'm just fixing them up and making them how I want them to look.
Cause I came from the bottom, can't make you forever be with somebody. To the day I'm not hurt, I'ma stack every dollar. I'ma blow out the brain when I feel that I got my ties with my people, now my grandfather deposit. Ran it up all by myself though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flop though. In my head I know what I know. And I say, I count 50s all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop me, no comparisons on that timeline, baby. And oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now oh yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now. I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond and now they see me
But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I hope y'all love this video and this helped y'all. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.